Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add multiple logos to your WordPress website in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, we will walk through each action clearly and methodically so that you can follow along effortlessly. Begin by opening your browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the site loads, you will notice a login option located at the top right corner of the page. Simply click on the login button to proceed. This initial step is designed to lead you quickly into your account without any additional hassle. After you click login, a screen appears with several sign-in options. Opt for the login method that says continue with Google. Here you will select the Google account you want to use. Using your Google account is a fast and convenient way to sign in and access your site settings. Once you have chosen your account and signed in, the process becomes seamless, allowing you to focus on customizing the appearance of your website. After successfully logging in, you will land on a page that includes a quick link section. In this section, look for the option that says Edit Site and click on it. This takes you to the main editing interface for your WordPress website. The site editor is where all the customization magic happens, and you will soon see that it is user-friendly and intuitive. Inside the site editor, direct your attention to the upper right corner where you will find a plus icon. Click on this icon to open the menu where you can add new elements to your site. This added element process is simple and is designed to integrate new features with ease. Once you have brought up the options by clicking the plus icon, you will be prompted to type in a keyword to find the element you need. In this case, type in site logo. As you type, a list of matching elements will appear and you will see the option specifically for the site logo. This search function is very efficient and helps you navigate directly to what you need without scrolling through endless menus. After locating the site logo option, click on it and drag the logo element up into your header area. The header is the prominent section of your layout, and by placing the logo here, you ensure it is visible on every page of your website. This dragging and dropping interface allows you to arrange elements visually, making the design process much more interactive. Finally, if you wish to replace the image that appears as your logo, simply click on the current logo. This action opens a menu where you have the option to change the image. Not only can you replace the image, but you can also resize your logo and further edit it if needed to perfectly fit your website's design. Adjusting the size and appearance of your logo gives you creative control, ensuring it matches the overall aesthetic of your site. By following these instructions, you can quickly add multiple logos to your WordPress website, enhancing both its visual appeal and functionality. Enjoy customizing your site and making it uniquely your own.